Here is how to check your internet Wi-Fi speed on your mobile device. So this works for both iPhones and Androids. So checking your speed is helpful to see if you're getting the speeds you're paying for from your internet service provider. You might also want to know that your speed to estimate download times or check your connection's quickness and ping. So first, go ahead and launch a web browser. Then after, from the search bar, search for Ookla speed test. Now go to the website of Speedtest by Ookla. Then tap on this Go button, which is in the center of the screen. This will start the test. Allow location permissions if prompted, and the test will begin. And you will see your download speed in Mbps. Wait for the test to finish, and once complete, you'll see your download speed as well as your ping. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.